welcome back to Insight. Well, Dave Farnbaugh has been kind enough to join us again because we are talking about nursing home care, and it's such an important topic. President Obama was re-elected yesterday, and that obviously will raise some issues because that's going to mean that Obamacare is not being repealed. So what does that mean for nursing home care?
Well, as a practical matter, I think what it's going to mean is that most people are saying that when that really is fully phased in, the reimbursements to nursing homes and other providers, hospitals and whatnot, is going to be scaled back. And as a practical matter, if reimbursements are going to be scaled back, then in my mind what that's going to result in is probably nursing homes trying to accomplish their staffing needs with fewer people. And there's sort of an old adage in our business that no matter what type of an injury occurs in a nursing home, whether that be pressure sores or falls or dehydration or whatever harm occurs in a nursing home, it usually relates from understaffing. If you had adequate staff to take care of the residents based upon their needs and their what we call acuity, then most injuries in nursing homes wouldn't occur. But if you don't have enough staff, people have a lot of needs, and you don't have enough people to cover the various wings and halls in a nursing home, that's when injuries occur. So,
is that what you're seeing as you're handling, Sweeney Law Firm is handling all these cases against nursing homes? Is that the trend you see? Is that it's understaffing?
I think that's a big part of it, Charity. It's understaffing. One of the ways that you can reduce your overhead costs if you own a nursing home is to reduce staff. And the other thing that we see is, unfortunately, I guess, less resources and time to train people. You know, the people that are employed to work in nursing homes, everybody goes into it, they're caring, compassionate people. That's why they're in a nursing home. Everybody's motivation is good who runs a nursing home. Nobody wants to see anybody get hurt in a nursing home. But these are people that have a lot of needs, and these people that work there, nurses' aides and nurses, they require a lot of training for the specific needs of the elderly. And so we see oftentimes when we sue nursing homes that the training is inadequate, and that results to injuries. So that's one of the trends that we're seeing. One of the more disturbing trends that we're seeing nowadays in cases against nursing homes is the notion now that some nursing homes are not carrying liability insurance. It's hard to believe, you know, in Indiana, if you drive a car, you're required to carry insurance. In the state of Indiana, it's pretty remarkable. If you own a nursing home, you don't have to carry liability insurance, and I tell people that, and they're stunned. Another trend that we're seeing is a lot of nursing homes are asking families when they're doing their admission paperwork to sign an agreement that says you're going to give up your right to make a legal claim against a nursing home. It's what we call forced arbitration, where you basically agree that if you have some sort of a dispute with a nursing home, or if someone's injured in connection with nursing home care, you have to sign an arbitration agreement that calls for your case to be decided by someone that's an arbitrator for the nursing home industry. You know, not exactly the fairest way to handle the dispute. So those are some of the things that we see. So what we've done at our office is that we've tried to put a lot of information on our website. If you go to our website, you're going to find a section on nursing homes that we have a lot of helpful information for consumers about what to look for in placing their loved one in a nursing home, what are some of the things to look for, questions to ask, and those sorts of things, so that we really think we've developed sort of a fountain of information for all things related to nursing home and nursing home care. Well,
that's a great place for people to go, because as Emily said at the beginning, we're all in some situation where we need to be aware, or what we would do if we need a nursing home for ourselves or our loved ones. Check that out at SweeneyLawFirm.com. If you think you may have a case or need some advice, you can give them a call, 420-3137. We'll be right back on Insight.